Now that errands and lunch are over, it's time to hop over to Grand Central, grab a train, head to Brooklyn, and install, I think, 5 AC units today. It's starting to heat up, as you can tell by there's a sun in my face, which has not been the normal thing recently. Pretty nice for about 10 minutes, and then I don't like it anymore. So let's head on to Grand Central, grab the 6 train down to Lower Manhattan, and probably the Q over to Park Slope area, and get to work. All right. Time to grab my little blue work truck, because Brooklyn is tough to get around in certain directions. And it's more fun. The further I got along, the slower this one got. It still had half a battery, but it eventually went 2 miles an hour. That sucked. Yep. I'm halfway there and I gotta find another one. Super. What? My phone also was messing up and I couldn't figure out which way was the right way to go. Wrong way. I walked the wrong way. Whoops. On to the first install. These Mideas are my favorite. They're very confusing, but I've done more than I care to think about. I can probably do it in my sleep at this point. Got these cool little slidey safety brackets. Keep it from tipping out the window if you open the window. And then these other safety clips. Very gratifying sound. That keep you from opening the window. There it is. Pretty neat. Alright, so hopefully this little dude will go more than 2 miles an hour. I always like to give the people that check for helmets a silly, silly selfie. And it wouldn't start. So I had to restart my phone, restart the app, and it finally worked. A little bit convoluted here. Couldn't quite figure out which of the 37 roads to take. This jackass decided to
cut someone off and then yell at them. What little tiny man would do such a thing?
Well, I drove 15 minutes the wrong way. Whoops.
Idiot. Luckily, it was a nice day. So I just had to do a big old U-turn and work my way backwards to find my next job. Which was equally confusing because the entrance was tucked away and not on the street.
I don't know where I'm going.
So I drove in circles 3 times until I figured out where to go. They said that this unit was leaking moisture into the apartment. So whoever installed this bracket didn't tilt it out, they tilted it in. I wonder if the brewery's open. Nope. Alright, got the bracket reinstalled on that one, so I gotta install a bracket on this one. Ta-da! That's the second one. Third one.
Smell my 2 dogs. Hello, Duckie. Good to meet you.
If I meet Duckie.
That's enough. We should get away. Alright, bye.
There they are. Good as new. And how gratifying is me kicking this bowling ball lining up with the music? Watch this. Boop, boop, boop. It's not planned. When I dropped the music in, it lined up perfectly. I love when little things like that happen. And no, they weren't open. I wonder how much this house costs. Too much money. All right, back home.
What do you got? Come here. Come here. So, come here. What do you got? You got the puppuccino? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Okay, thank you. All right. All right. Well, okay. 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 Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. All right.
See you next time.